Hello, welcome to our technical indicator tutorial. So right now we will be learning about Fibonacci retracement. In finance, Fibonacci retracement is a method of technical analysis for determining support and resistance levels. It is named after Fibonacci sequence of numbers, whose ratios provide price levels to which market tend to retrace a portion of a move before a trend continues in the original direction. How to use Fibonacci retracement. First, you're gonna need to pull out the Fibonacci retracement here in the toggle bar in the side. Click the Fibonacci retracement, and then if you want it to use for finding the retracement to the upside, you pull it from swing low to swing high, and then the retracement area is 0.382, 0.5, and 0.618. If it retraces in 0.382, it is a strong trend to the upside. If it retraces in 0.5, it's a normal trend. Retraces in 0.618, then it is a weak trend. So this is the strong trend, this is a normal trend, and this is the weak trend. So once we see a retracement in this area, that's our potential retracement to the upside. Okay? How about predicting it to the downside? You use it from swing high to swing low. Swing high to swing low. So the retracement area is 0.382, 0.5, and 0.6. So if it retraces in 0.382, goes like this one, then it is a strong trend. If it retraces in 0.5, then that is normal trend. If it retraces in 0.618, then that is a weak trend. Okay? So that's how you use Fibonacci retracement. So how to find the price target? So in the example, Fibonacci retracement from swing low to swing high, finding the price target to the upside. You need to use trend-based Fibonacci extension. So swing low, swing high, and then retracement area. It retraces in 0.382. So that's how you get your target price to the upside. You can take profit in 1 here, in 0.786, or in our golden ratio price target 1.618. So this is for the long position, Fibonacci retracement to the upside. That's the possibility right there. Okay, how about for the swing low, for the downtrend? How to use the Fibonacci retracement from swing high to swing low, and then use the Fibonacci trend base from swing high to swing low and to the previous low. Our price target will be 1, 1.618, 7, 0.786. Okay? So how to use the Fibonacci retracement and finding the take profit? Use the trend-based Fib extension. Example for bullish trend, Fibonacci retracement to the upside. Okay, we see the swing low. So we open a swing low, and then we will wait for the swing high. Okay, we have seen the swing high. This is the swing high. We will now wait for the retracement. Will it retrace in 0.382, 0.5, or 0.618? We will pull out now the trend-based fib extension. Okay, it is retracing in 0.382. Let's pull out the swing low and then swing high and then retracement in 0.382. Let's continue the trend. The price target would be 0.786, 1, and then golden ratio 1.618. Okay, we hit the 0.786 as take profit. We tried to hit 1, but we got rejected. We are consolidating to break out. We got rejected to the downside. We found support again. And we're gonna try again to hit. And we hit the 1. Okay? So this is our example for Fibonacci retracement bullish. How to use to bearish trend the Fibonacci retracement. Swing high first. Okay, we found the swing high. So we pull the Fibonacci retracement and pull it from swing high to the downside. We will wait for the swing low. Okay? Okay, we found the swing low. So we'll open from swing high to swing low. Now we found where we have bounced in 0.382. That is a strong trend. So we can expect more to the downside. And how to find it? Trend-based fib extension. Swing high to swing low. And then the retracement area. Our price target will be 0.786 and 1. Let's see. We almost hit. Now we hit the 0.786. The next one we will need to hit is the 1. Okay, we hit the 1 for our Fibonacci trend-based price target. Trend-based fib extension. That's how we use Fibonacci retracement to the upside and to the downside. If you learned from this, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Cheers! All the best!